guess we'll try and run this barricade over and see how, show you how rigid it is. This is a F-150. There you go, see I'm on top of it. Hasn't fully collapsed, but it's made to collapse on contact, which is what the design is. But it doesn't fracture, doesn't splinter, doesn't create any FOD. It stays together. That's the point of the linear density polyethylene as opposed to the high intensity poly. So this is why I use this material instead of what other people use. It stays together, doesn't fracture, doesn't break. It collapses as it's supposed to.